poem written by Rudyard Kipling. And it makes one emotional that it is not what you have covered, it is how you cover that. Pardon me. I have had the blessings of elders, the love of everybody around me, my friends, my colleagues, at the bar, or even in normal walks of life. They have provided me strength. They have given me always a helping hand, rendered a helping hand. And of all the persons, I must be thankful to my dear wife. She has stood like a rock of Gibraltar at every juncture. She understands me even before I say anything to her. So therefore, that's the kind of connection that we have developed. I'm thankful to her. This is here, I'm not here to make any promises, except one, that I will do everything to the best of my ability, knowledge and belief. Thank you. Thank you.